and welcome to Coffee Chat. Today we're continuing our discussion on HABEs. Maybe you remember that HABEs stands for habits, attitudes, beliefs, and experiences. Last week I started talking to you a little bit about experiences. We all have them. Some of them are good. Some of them are not so good. Some of them are in the past. And we hope, all of us hope, that we have good experiences in the future. What I do know is this, is that our habits, our attitudes, our beliefs, and our experiences all can potentially keep us from reaching our potential. We've been drawing this drawing to help you remember that. Here's your life and here's your potential. But there's this huge wall, oftentimes, that's between you and your potential. There they are, your habits, your attitudes, your beliefs, and your experiences, both past and future. Well, hopefully you've been able to get that in your mind and you understand the difference between your habits, attitudes, beliefs, and experiences. So today I want to continue to build on understanding experiences, and I want to give you a tool that can help you deal with your past experiences and, more importantly, shape up your future experiences, hence increasing your potential. So let me erase the board here, and I'm going to draw and talk you through the tool that we use to do this. First of all, you need a life timeline. So you're born right here, and your life begins moving forward, okay? And in the forward movement, you have experiences. Well, today, you may be right here. This is your today. And back here would be your past. And going forward would be your future. So this is what we know, that we all have experiences in the past. And some of them might not be so good. They may be bad experiences. So in looking at our diagram here, what I would say to you is this. If you've had a bad experience or a good experience in the past, then how can you think about that today? Well, that's exactly a clue to how you process all of experiences, whether past or future. You think about them. So here you are today, and you think about a not so good experience in the past. You exercise your thinking. You think about it. And when you think about it, it creates feelings that you feel today. The question I ask people is this, is when you think about a bad experience in the past, does it actually occur today? The answer is no. But because of your ability to think about it, to imagine, to use vision, it didn't happen today, it happened in the past, but you can feel today just like it's happening again. I ask people this, did it happen again today? The most common answer is no, it did not happen again today. But through the use of your mind, your imagination, your thinking, you were able to think about it, to focus on it, to envision it, and it felt as if it happened today. Part of that is understanding how we change our thinking, feeling, and acting, what we call our TFA. So how can you use this process? Be honest with you, many of us are very good at doing this. How can we use this to help us in future aspirations? Here's how you do that. If you want your future potential to come to light, you've got to go out in the future on your timeline, and you have to set a target of something that you would like to happen. You have to envision it. You have to use your vision. Vision is seeing the future. You have to clarify what you're seeing. You have to put words to it so that your mind can see it. so that your emotions can get involved in it and you can be pulled to it using your mind, emotions, and your will. So this is how this works. Here I am today. I have a future something I would like to see come to fruition. I've targeted it. I've envisioned it. I have clarified it. And I can speak the words in my mind today so that I can watch, think. Same thing as here. I can think about it. And the more I use my vision and clarity, then I can actually feel it today. The more I do this, as opposed to the less I do this, the more I'll be drawn to that which I want to become. Hence, experiences, whether past or future, both can use the same thinking model in order to produce the results that you want or to produce the results that you don't want. To change the results that you don't want, set a new target. Go out into the future in your mind and think about this. This is how you can use experiences actually in the future to draw you toward that which you want to become, hence improving your potential. Thank you for joining me for this week's Coffee Chat. We'll see you next week.